the words, pride in our hearts and memories in our souls. Let's salute the nation on this 75th Independence Day. Good morning, Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends. I am Anvesha, student of class 9, standing here to express my views on the 75th Independence Day of our nation. Today we are all gathered here to celebrate a great national event. As we all know that Independence Day is an auspicious occasion for all the Indian citizens and it has been mentioned forever in the history. It is the day when we got freedom from the British rule after many years of hard struggle of our great freedom fighters. Every year, Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August to remember the first day of freedom as well as to remember the sacrifices of our great leaders who had lost their lives too. After independence, we got our all fundamental rights in our nation, our motherland. We should feel proud and admire our fortune that we are born on such a land of independent India. History of slave India reveals everything, that how our ancestors and forefathers worked hard and suffered all the brutal behaviors of the Britishers. We cannot imagine by sitting here that how hard the independence was for India from the Britishers. It took sacrifices of many lives and several decades of struggle from the year 1857 to the year 1947. An Indian soldier, Mangal Pandey, in the British rule was the first person to raise his voice against Britishers for the independence of India. Later, several freedom fighters joined him. We can never forget the names of Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose, who had lost their lives in the early ages just for fighting for their country. How can we forget the names of Mahatma Gandhi and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose? Mahatma Gandhi was a great Indian personality who taught Indians a big lesson of non-violence. He was the one and only person to take India towards independence with the help of non-violence. Finally, after many years of long struggle, the result came on 15th of August 1947, the day when India got freedom. We are too much lucky that our forefather had given us a land of peace on which we can sleep whole night without any fear and spend our whole day in our homes, offices or schools, etc. After independence, our country is growing day by day in field of technology, sports, education, finance and other various fields which was almost impossible before. Do not hesitate to accept that problems like illiteracy and inequality on the basis of caste, creed, religion or gender is defaming our motto of enjoying freedom. We should put all these together in our top priorities to minimize them. We are also actively participating in Olympics, Commonwealth Games and Asian Games. India is a country which is rich in nuclear power. We can choose our own government and enjoy the largest democracy in the world. Yes, we are free and have freedom in our country, but that doesn't mean that we should not understand our responsibility, our duty towards our nation. We should always be ready to save our nation in any situation. At last, I would like to say that we are free and remain free with positive promises to come to the expectation of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.